Okay, on the passenger aircrafts, the big thing is the recline mechanism. So this is the little cylinder, a plunger right here, okay? And the recline, actually, when you push the button, is that right there, okay? So one of the things that might make this thing not work is this spring here in the middle that's missing. If it's missing, it's not going to be able to properly actuate it, okay? This has to be forced open so I can pull this, and so I can have the force to push the cylinder inside so we can expel the air, so we can push the seat, okay? So the way you replace this is actually not too bad. So first thing you do is you take off this clip here, you flip it up, and you can move this out. Then after that, you take off this clip right here. Alright, this one right here. I know it's a little dirty, you can't see it that well. Okay, this clip right here, get a little wedge, you pop this clip out. It's going to be in there for, it's been there for a long time, so it's going to be a little difficult. Okay, but you just get a wedge, flat edge or whatever, and you pop it out. Then you get these two jam nuts, loosen it, and this comes right out. Now just remember the distance between this side and this side so you can put it back in the same way. Alright, and then after that, it's the same thing backwards. So you put it in, tighten the jam nuts, put this, snap this little clip back into place, and then fit this back on and click, push it back in, and that's it. Alright, now one thing you gotta be careful with is if this plunger or this cylinder inside or doesn't is leaking or something, or doesn't work. What it is, then that means that the seat is not in the upright position, and if it's not in the upright position, that means the seat is not sellable. Okay, it's considered a disabled seat, so because of that and safety, they do not, that means they can't sell the seat, that means they can't make money off of it. So what you got to do in that case is just replace this, and that's the only way that you can fix it. So even if this here, the spring is broken, and you replace this cylinder, it'll stay in the upright position, and if it stays in the upright position, it's okay to sell. It might not be convenient for the passenger, but at least it's the seat is safe, and you can still sell the seat. All right, well, that's it.